This is a guide on how you can see your views on Snapchat stories. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be opening the Snapchat app. After that, you will transport on this page. There is the basic interface of Snapchat, and you have to click on your profile icon on the top left section of your screen. After clicking on it, your profile page will open up, and then you have to click on your My Stories icon. Okay, click on My Story. So basically, this is my story, and if you click on your story will pop up. So yeah, this is my story, and as you can see on the bottom left corner, it says one view. Okay, so if you want to see who viewed your story, you have to click on this, the one view thing. Okay, click on the one view, the eye icon. After that, under the friend list, you will see the name of your friends who viewed your story. As you can see, my friend Test saw this story, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you see who viewed your story on Snapchat.